Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my another new video. Today I'll show you how to create a YouTube logo using canva.com. So go to create a design and select logo. Then you see there are many templates for logo design, and this is the premium, which are indicate pro. As a Canva Pro subscriber, when you are Canva Pro subscriber, you can use this logo and you can edit this logo. So first select a logo. Which you want to edit. So like I want to use this logo. Or this logo, Gear Tech. Gear Tech tagline. Solve tech problem. Then decrease font size. Okay, that's enough. And you can save this logo. Go to share and click download, and you can see there have JPG format, PNG, PDF standard and PDF print SVG, which is only premium member can use, and MP4 video and GIF. So PNG is suggested and best for the complex images illustration. So select PNG format, then click download. Then select destination folder where you want to save this logo, then click save, and you can see this is the logo. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for new videos.